Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to reset Instagram password if forgotten. You want to log in your Instagram account, but you don't remember a password, and you want to know how to reset password. You are in right place, just follow my steps. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial. Open your Instagram app and type your nickname and try to log in. When you're sure you don't remember your password, tap on Forgot Password. Now in this field type your email or mobile number. I will type email address. And choose a way Instagram send you a code. And wait couple of seconds to Instagram send you code on mail. And when send you type that code. And go to continue. Now you need to set a new password. And you are finished. So that is it for this video. If this video like you, leave a like and subscribe for a new one. Goodbye.